Hello, 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 and welcome back to Lyrically Scent by Lindsay. I am Lindsay Wood, an independent Scentsy consultant from Liverpool in the UK, and today I'm going to make a really quick video to show you how to put our mini warmer plugins together. So our mini plugins are ones that plug straight into a socket. They don't have a cable or a lead, they just plug straight into the socket and you switch them on. Doesn't have a separate dish that you can take off for the wax to go. You literally pop the wax straight on the top. So when it comes to our mini warmers, we have we have loads of different designs, but we have two different styles. So you will either get a glass shade, which is the bit that goes on top, or a ceramic or metal. So when you get your mini warmer, you will get it in two different boxes. One will have the shade in whichever style you have picked, whichever design, and you will get your base. So on the base, it will either say glass or it will say ceramic or metal. So I'm going to show you both styles today. So the glass one is dead simple. When you get the glass base, it has a washer already in there. So you will simply pop your bulb in. You will take your glass shade out of the box. This is the Pearled Gatsby and is absolutely beautiful. You will simply screw that on top and there we go. The ceramic one, I'm just going to pop that to one side. The ceramic one is a little more tricky to put together. So your ceramic base will look like this, has these two little knobbles either side, and you will get, with your ceramic base, you will get two different size washers. Now for me, I've always found that the thicker washer is the one to work with. So you literally pop it over there. You're going to put your bulb in, and then I'm going to use our little gingerbread man shade today. He's still in clearance at the moment, and you will see underneath you get the two little slits. So you line it up and then you twist. Now with the thicker washer, sometimes it feels like you are really having to push down and twist. That is fine if it's a little bit of resistance. Obviously, if it absolutely won't go, then take the thicker washer off and try the thinner one. Then you have a little screw here. So once you've got it lined up, making sure that Mr. Gingerbread Man is going to be facing out to you, so you can see his gorgeous little face, you simply turn the screw all the way up, and there we have it. So you simply plug that into the socket. Bob's your uncle. I am going to pop him to one side, and I've already turned the plug to pop it in my little trusty power bank here. So you simply plug in, make sure that this switch is switched to off, then you simply plug it in, turn it on, and there you go. I'm just going to show you that up close. Oh, you can't see it, can you, with the light? There you go. You can see a little bit now. It's absolutely gorgeous. Little iridescent beautiness. And then you take your, I'm going to have to keep hold of that because it will tip over. You take a cube or two of your Scentsy wax bar, and the wax on the mini warmers literally goes straight on top. There is no separate dish, literally straight on top. When the wax is not releasing any more fragrance and you need a change, take one of our Scentsy cotton cleanups, make sure the wax has been melted, warm it, cotton cleanup in, absorb the wax, little wipe around, in the bin, ready for a new wax. So that is how to assemble. Let me just show you that again now that the light isn't on. Absolutely gorgeous. That is how to assemble a Scentsy mini warmer. As always, guys, any questions that you have for me, please ask below. And again, always encouraging you to like and subscribe. Thank you.